What's up, Summer Nation? Merry Christmas, everyone. So today, guys, we're going to St. Mary's Church. We're going to attend the Christmas Mass. And we're riding now the bus. Afterwards, we're riding the metro. So we seize this moment, guys, kay kahapon is duty magkoko karon off nako. And nag-ride kami sa metro, guys, and ang usa sa pinaka medium na transportation diri, guys, ang metro, manindot mo kay fast forward kay ba. And finally, we arrive at our destination, St. Mary's Church, Dubai. Grabe, ubay-ubay dyan ang tao karon nga nanimba, guys, kay Pasko man and gabi, so medyo kaya ka sa tawang masimba, guys. Good thing nakasulod me, and now mag-ampo sila, guys, and mag-pray sa may kadit kaysa. So see you guys.
Merry Christmas.
Hi guys, Mass is ended. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. So that's it, guys. Mass has ended, and may God bless us all. Merry Christmas, everyone. So ang paggawa sa ni, guys, medyo challenging sa part kay medyo daghan jud kayong tao, guys. So that's it for this vlog, and of course di na to ni wag tangon na to ang tradition nga kupot hawak kamay. Kupot kamay, di kita iiwan. So that's it, and we are headed home, back home. Thank you guys for watching this video, and Merry Christmas, everyone. Love, hope, and joy. Merry Christmas, everyone.